Perfect. Oh, sorry. I'm distracted.
Yeah, I am too.
Trying to get the... There we go. People want to see how the bow functions too. Alright, welcome back to SOS. I've got Drew with me, and she's going to be helping me put together her new bow. This is Sanlida Archery. This is the Hero X8. And this is not for amateurs. This is some highly sophisticated stuff. So if you want to get your kids into major archery, this is definitely the route to go. And we're going to get started on the assembly. These are great for if you're hitting the deck a lot. You've got a rubber buffer here. This all moves. So when you're done shooting and you hit the deck or something with the with this, it will be something to hold for a child that's shooting to be able to utilize that. And then back here, this actually comes. Let me bring this here. This actually comes to the exact length. I got this set up perfect for her when she's shooting. This actually rests where it should, off to her side, and it allows her to keep balanced and stable and relaxed until she squeezes that trigger, because she's got her trigger. And I had to adjust that perfectly for this. And this is neat how this works. This is all adjustable here. I want to share this because this is really rad. The sight for this is amazing. This is perfect. I have to share that because that is just too true. Because it took me a couple of seconds. I got it adjusted and on sight. It's sighted in perfect, and you can't miss. It's insane. This here is really neat. I added the bar that came in the packaging. Nothing was put together, so I have to assemble all this. And you're going to want it just like this. You've got your this all adjust. Remember, down is up and up is down. Can I see it okay? They can see, right? Yeah. All right. Down is up and up is down. Remember that. This can come in and out. Don't need it. You can bring it in, but it's fine where it is at a far away distance. That's actually pretty good. But yeah, to move these, it's real nice. You unscrew this, and you just lift it, and it slides up and down. For this, you just unscrew it. You have to assemble all this. You don't even have to undo this. All you got to do is unscrew this up and down, and it moves it in and out. It's perfect. This mechanism here is the rock star of the whole thing. I think this is just really nice. You've got to figure out your exact section you want to put that. It's a little loose, see? And you're getting this tightened up. This is the only tool you're going to need that doesn't come with this kit. This small screwdriver. You're just going to need a small screwdriver. You'll get this as tight as you can get it, and that's very, very important, because when you set an arrow in there, this comes up, and that arch actually holds your arrow. You rest your arrow in there, and as that comes up, it lifts the arrow up. And then when you shoot, it drops out of the way and lets that arrow fly. So nothing is hitting your arrow. That's the cool thing. Once it launches, nothing else is hitting the arrow. Nothing's interfering with that archer's paradox as it's rotating in the air and heading toward the target. Nothing is getting in the way of that. That's really cool. One thing I wanted to share. You might have to release some pressure. You don't want it to be too tight. This does have a lot of tension. It was something that I could shoot before I loosened it up. This is loosened up for a child to shoot it. I didn't have to change the cambers. Everything stayed the same. I just loosened it and didn't require any of that. But that's very clean. Look at this. Nice markings. Nice designs. Nice artwork. All the way down. There's a lot of detail. I love the artwork on this thing. It's really nice. Comes in every color of the rainbow. Like from pink, blue, purple, polka dotted almost. Pretty sure not polka dot, but you could put polka dots on it. But it had like, did it have gold. Green? Gold? Yeah, there was gold.
Yeah,
there's so many different colors.
Purple, there's blue.
This is going to be epic. Now, there's this. I thought this was nice. It's just another option for you. You can just clip it there and then just pull it in place. Set it how you want it. And then when you're done using your bow, that's your bow rest. So you can just set it up wherever you're going to keep it and just leave it there on display. You'll have some leftover parts like we did. We had a few extra parts here. They're just spares. They're perfectly fine. There's not anything. This is actually for your thumb. You can loop that inside and put your thumb in it. And it's where you grip. And when it kind of cambers. So what happens is after you fire your shot, the bow itself will stay hooked to your thumb and will kind of camber down. And that's the only thing that's for. And she doesn't really need that right now. But I'm going to hang on to it for when she decides she wants that. But that's it. We're going to go shoot it. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Here. Ready? There you go. Here. Come on. You got it. Got it? Perfect. There you go. Here. Ready?
Okay.
Remember, white up. You're not straight. You're not straight. Just straighten your body out. Look. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Here.
You unfocused me.
You're propping it up on you again. It's probably not a good idea. What are you doing there, kid?
I'm putting what's on.
Crazy. White part up. I'm telling you, if you keep that rest should not be touching you.
What is this supposed
You can't.
to
You're not supposed to touch yourself with the rest. You know what I mean?
No,
Just watch what you're doing. Keep that sight parallel. There you go. That's good posture. That's good. That's much better. You want to drop a few more?
Lifting it up beside.
You can handle it. Come on.
It'd be nice if there was a proper.
You got this. It's one thing. It's one thing about a compound bow. You really can't be lazy about your posture. Where's that arrow? It's not in the rest right. There you go. Good catch. There you go. There we go. There we go. That's a bullseye.
Yeah.
See? See, it just took some warming up. What do you like? 4 arrows into this? And one, I don't, that's some sort of, that's one of those Japanese beetles or something. I wouldn't worry about that. All right. I got to come around here so people can get a good look at the, while you're shooting. Just go ahead and keep doing what you're doing. Yeah. You got it. Perfect. Oh, sorry. I'm distracted.
Yeah, I am too.
Trying to get the...
Oh.
There we go. People want to see how the bow functions too. All right, I'm gonna turn it this way. You can get you another arrow. I'm gonna get out of your face now. There we go.
I dropped.
Stop dropping stuff.
I did.
Stop dropping it. You're fiddling. It's doing really good for the warm up. It's good. I mean, straight out of the box. Literally just put it together. Yeah, it's that one thing there. Straight out of the box, and you're doing pretty good at it. Nice. See, your groups are getting tighter. Just took you only stuck one in the. Just want to wrap this video up and cut that off real quick, and get to the closure here. So there was just this loose. It just got loose, and we just tightened it up. It's done now, and that is awesome. And over here, this layout, for those of you who need to see a better view of that layout before you go slapping yours together, and that just mounts. Let's see, right there, and then down here, the way this mounts, for those of you looking, you just stick an Allen key in here and turn this until it's tight. That goes in and out, and these are adjustable to your desire. And then to the end here, you've got these little threaded pieces. You just put Allen keys on and put them in there. This is about this distance away, which isn't bad, so that's what I'd recommend doing. And when you use the stand, this works really good like this. So go check them out, please. And their link is below in the drop down, and I highly recommend, because this is a lot of fun. God bless, take care, stay sane.